Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to personalize the header on your Google Sites? In this tutorial, we will guide you throughout the process of editing and customizing the header to give your site a unique look. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to go ahead and open Google Sites. Now the header will depend exactly on which kind of website you have chosen. For example, if you went with the restaurant template, because here we have already made template by Google Sites. So for example, if we went here with the restaurant template, this is our header, and once we click or hover on it, we will find here on the left corner the header type. So if we clicked on it, we will have variations of the header that we could have, and basically this is a way that you can edit your header with. So there is 4 ways of having a header in Google Sites. First one is title only. So you could have here, as you can see, a title, a simple text that has your restaurant name. For example, here I'm gonna name it something like that, and here we can just give it a small description, and we have now our restaurant created, or our header edited. Now for the text itself in the header, we can edit it as well simply by selecting it, as you saw. So here I have selected it, so I can go to the title and change the style of it. I can change the font, and I can add specific font if it wasn't available in here. So I can search for the font here and add whatever font I want and add it here. Let me just go back here. We can also make it bold, make it not bold. I can make it italic. I can make it like underline under it. I can change the color of it, which is one of the few things that you can change the color in your website in Google Sites, since they really are not allowing you to change that much of things in your websites. Also, you can make it like a link, so once people click on it, they can be redirected to another page, to another place. And also you can add like some kind of emojis, like hearts, a lot of things that you might be able to change and manage in here. So this is specifically for the header, the text only type. Now there is the banner. The banner is pretty simple. You will have still the text. In case you would like to, you can remove it whenever you want. You will have the subtext, but what is it about? It's all about the background. So here we can upload background into it. For example, here I can upload this image, and it is remove readability adjustment and core image. I can here like click here, make the image to the top, to the left, to the middle, to the bottom. I can move it around as I want. I can like keep it, but it's not as I want, but in some specific corners of the image. I mean, this is what it is. This is the tool that we are using. It is basically the only way that you can edit our header with and our picture with, which is basically by moving the image to a specific, the anchor of image to a specific place. For example, either top right, top left, left right, bottom right, bottom right, bottom, and bottom left. Beside of that, you can't really edit it anymore, and that's pretty much what we are with. There is the 4th option, which is basically the large banner. So it is basically banner but larger. This is nice, guys, but yeah, this is basically like the actual thing. So we can move it to the left, to the top right, to the top, to the left here, bottom, right. I mean, nothing is changing in these 3 things, so it seems like it's not working. This is the top. It seems like, I don't know. I have no clue. Yeah, these 3 things are not basically changing, but yeah, even these 3 things Yeah, this is only three positions. I don't know why they are lying to us with these all of these arrows right here. But yeah, this is what you should know. This is a larger banner. So we have here, so the header type, we have title only, we have banner, and we have larger banner. So these are the main types, and we finally have here a cover, which is a larger banner, as it seems. So this is very cool, guys. This is pretty interesting. So let's go here. As you can see, there is only three positions, either to the top, middle, and bottom, as it seems. So this is pretty good. And also here, as you can see, you can have the same text, so you can change it. You can change the fonts of it as well. You can match it so it can be at least visible. Once there is like let me just change this as well. Once there is a background, the text must be kind of like unseen, so you have to really pick a color that can be visible once you are changing the actual thing. Here we have this. We can move it around. You can move the text as long as you want. You can put it, for example, here in the top if you wanted to. You can move it here, down, up, whatever, wherever you want. You can make this like phrase in here bigger, changing the font size like that. So there is a lot of variation that you can actually do, and basically if you try to add anything, you can you'll be able to add it. Just make sure, guys, that the image that you added in the background or the header is basically letting both the text that you have here and the bar or navigation bar visible, because some elements will be invisible if you have not chosen the bold fonts, and also if you didn't add the correct color, so it can be visible on certain colors. For example, here if I added blue or like light blue, let me just add it right here, so something like that, it can be a little bit annoying for the eye to read. But black, it's not that good, still readable, easy to find, and easy to locate within the picture itself. Also for the menu, make sure that it has the same colors, so it can be visible when the menu is basically hovered. It is bold, it is not something else, so it can also be visible for you as well. Yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. This is how you can edit the header of your website in Google Sites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions or problems that you have faced during the process of creating your websites and header, make sure to leave it down below so I can make a solution and another video about it for you guys. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.